Okay, so we're going to go through one of your homework problems for today. So let's go ahead and go through this first one. So this is already different than the ones you did last week because now we have a pi over 2. Last week we just had like alpha and beta or theta and some other angle, but now we have an actual angle. It's not a variable anymore. So we're going to use our sum and difference identities. Anytime you have two angles added or subtracted, you're going to use your sum and difference identities. Okay, this one is sine, and we are adding. So we are going to use this top one, and we are going to add. So if I rewrite this, we will get sine of A, which in this case is pi over 2, times the cosine of B, which is theta, plus the cosine of A, which is pi over 2, so cosine of pi over 2, and then sine times the sine of B, which is theta, and we are trying to make that look like cosine of theta. Okay, so now go to your unit circle, pi over 2. Okay, that's at your 90 degrees. What's the coordinate point at pi over 2? So this coordinate is actually at 0, 1. And remember, sine is your y value, which is this. So this right here is just 1. So we have 1 times the cosine of theta plus, okay, so now we have cosine of pi over 2, which is your x value. So this is 0. So we have plus 0 times sine of theta equals cosine of theta. So if we simplify, 1 times cosine is cosine theta, plus, well, 0 times sine is just 0, so equals cosine theta, and you are done.